Hello, I'm Ashwan Azmi as Team Manager and Design Engineer of Velospeed F1 team. As the Team Manager, I control and assist the team's performance throughout the whole project other than making sure everything is done according to timeline. The design of the car was made using the SolidWorks 3D Edition software which we obtained from Boston, USA. Our car design was inspired by the shape of the Swift. The Swift has streamlined body and a short forked tail which we use in our car design. Streamlined shapes produce less drag than non-streamlined shapes. By using Reynolds number, we can see that the streamlined shape produces less drag compared to other designs. Other than that, the short forked tail of the Swift produces a powerful forward force with less drag and turbulence. We apply this concept at the back of our car. Next, we apply the concept of splitter, which is commonly used in modern racing cars. The splitter is to split the air and divide the air pressure to different sections. This reduces the impact made from the passing air. The design of the front aerofoil was made curved inwards to make sure downforce acts on the car and curved on the sides to allow airflow through easily. The side pods were made curved upwards to allow the air flowing fast. Based on aerodynamics concept, faster air produces lower pressure. With large power force produced by the carbon dioxide gas, the air moves fast as it flows through the car. This will also make the air flows in streamline and produce less turbulence. Moving on to the design of the rear aerofoil, it is designed similar to the shape of the teardrop. The teardrop has a hemispherical shape at front and a long tapering tail. The teardrop shape produces less drag when air flows through it, which is 0.05%, the lowest drag coefficient. Therefore, we apply this concept to the rear aerofoil to make sure less turbulence is produced. Other than that, we apply the concept of diffuser at the back of our car. Diffuser is an extension of the floor at the back of the car. The reason why we use this concept is to reduce drag that acts on the car. Besides, it also increases the speed of our car. Lastly, we render our car using the SolidWorks Photo View 360 and we name it V1.
Hello, my name is Imran and I am the manufacturing engineer of the Velospeed F1 team. After making some research and brainstorming with my team members, we had decided to choose the combination of nylon and Teflon as our tire material. This make our tire become highly durable. Besides, the combination of nylon and Teflon is also less dense compared to the other materials. Next, we have chosen full ceramic ball bearings. This ball bearing have high speed compared to the other type of bearing. It produces low friction, this make our car will be at its optimum speed. Move on to axle. As we want our car reach an optimum weight, we had decided to choose carbon fiber axle. This is because it is stronger and lighter compared to any other materials. Other than that, some part of our car also use non-metallic element that is called rapid prototyping. We use it at back and front of our car to prevent it from fracture. For the last finishing, we paint our car by using double action airbrush. Double action airbrush is a bit expensive as it will result high quality of manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Falik and I am the resource manager of Velospeed F1.
As the resource manager, I have to make the timeline, make the expenditure budget, set the sponsorships and also the marketing plan as well. Firstly, make the timeline is very important to make sure every team member finish every task punctually. Other than that, it acts as a guideline for our team to know our job and when we have to finish them up. Next, the expenditure budget. To make it easier, I have divided the budget according to every team member. By doing this, it helps me to avoid anything from not being listed in the budget. It also shows in details what does each of the team member needs and also the cost. After the budget is completed, now it will be easier for me to know the minimum amount of money needed. The budget also avoids money wastage. Okay, sponsorships. In this context, I have spread it into several types which are in the term of money, ideas and collaboration. Firstly, I will send formal letters to the companies before follow them up with formal calls. If they are interested with our team, we will approach them to have a meeting to present our team formally. Next, we also need creative thinking of ideas for our innovation project. In addition, we have collaborated with the Annihilation team for this year. For your information, this team had taught us the CAD and also the CAM for free, which actually worth more than 2,000 ringgit. Not only that, we also manufactured our car there. Lastly, about our marketing plan, it's important to promote our team in increasing our extra funds. We have created our own blog, do merchandise sales, and also set up promotion booth in our school to raise support from them. With that, thank you.
Hello, I am Arif Azizan and I am the graphic designer of Velospeed F1 team.
As a graphic designer, I had to design the color schemes of the car, create sponsorship decals together with the marketing materials. I also have to communicate a lot with the design engineer to ensure that my design will fit the shape of the car. Furthermore, I also have to communicate with the resource manager for additional marketing materials. Besides, I also prepared the team logo, business plan, the portfolio and booth design throughout the competition. This job requires me to master several softwares such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, Pinnacle Studio, Sony Vegas and AAA logo. Lastly, I designed the team's blog www.velospeedf1.com.